How to solve please try again or log in with a different method on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like please try again or log in with a different method on TikTok from your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, after you open the TikTok and from the login page, you'll be able to see such interface. So from your, you'll have to just continue from these options like you can continue with your email, your Facebook, your Apple ID, or you can also continue with your Google account, or you can also provide your phone number here, and from there you'll have to just provide the password or enter the verification code on that phone number, and you can easily log in with your TikTok ID. So if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just tap on the option watermark, so it will appear at the top left corner of the screen. So simply tap on the icon watermark, and now from this section you'll have to go the option recover your account, and now from here you can easily find out your recent logins on your TikTok application, and from here you can as usual select your account from here, and after you select it you'll have to just confirm with your phone or two-step verification, or you can also confirm with your email address. So from here you can also get your TikTok ID to log in on your iPhone. So if you are still not finding this option, you'll have to just back from here, and from here you'll have to open settings, and now from here tap on general. Okay, so from here tap on software update. Make sure that your device is up to date with its latest iOS version. So after you complete, you'll have to just back from here, and from here tap on iPhone storage, and now from here scroll down and find the application TikTok. Alright, so simply from here tap on upload app, and you'll have to just reinstall that app from here, and after you upload and reinstall the TikTok, you'll be able to fix that problem. So if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just check for the password whether it's saved on your Google ID or on your Apple My Password application. So you have to just check for the iPhone password app, or you can also check with your Google password manager. So from here you can easily extract the password of your TikTok account, and hopefully from there you can easily fix that problem on your TikTok. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.